Did you hear me?
Yes.
I approved outpatient treatment for you.
You didn't approve outpatient, you approved inpatient.
You want to see the form? I
Okay.
signed it, January 14th. I'm done. Bond continued. Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Goodbye.
Your Honor,
State your name, please.
Sandra Law.
All right, where do we go?
Ms. Law has elected to waive her right to a preliminary exam. Your Honor, my client is outside of counsel's advice, asking to speak to the court, and she's also asking to have her daughter be allowed to speak to the court. I've informed her that her daughter will likely not be able to speak to the court because that is inappropriate, but she wanted me to ask.
All right, well, you can do the way, I don't know what you want to address to the court.
Can I read something to you, please?
Your Honor, do you want to address the waiver first? How do you want to proceed?
You want to do the order? What is that, Ms. Cannon? No. If you want to do the waiver, we can, that's fine. Ma'am, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
Yes,
You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it.
yes,
Understand that you'll not have that hearing. You'll proceed to circuit court for further, bless you. You'll proceed to circuit court for further proceedings.
yes,
All right. People also waive their right?
Yes.
Preliminary examination having been waived, found over to circuit court on count 1 with 2 following.
Your Honor, we would waive formal reading of the information, stand mute, and we're asking for our next pretrial date.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
February 2nd at 1:30 before Judge Simpson.
February 2nd, 2026, 1:30. Judge will move.
can I read something to you, Your Honor?
As long as it's not too long, go ahead.
It's not. I apologize to you and your court for my situation and my stinking thinking attitude to allow my relapse and my time of sorrow. I've been caught in addiction for 15 years. Before this relapse, I have been sober for over a year. As of now, I have been incarcerated for 78 days, waiting for a plea deal to be sent to treatment. So far, there has been no eval. I was set to leave for treatment on a tether to Oakdale twice and subsequently been let down both times. There was a delay in my relapse due to bond differences in between both cases. I was not present for my Medicare renewal, so it has canceled. I'm concerned about me not being eligible to pay or have insurance pay for my long-term treatment. I worked hard in my sobriety to have a productive life. I went from having nothing in my life but a pipe and a rock to having things that make my life of importance. A job, schooling, a home, surrounded by my family, pets. I accumulated all that back. I write this to your court today to ask that I be released today to go back to my productive lifestyle that I struggled for. I have an awesome support system, a sponsor. I will continue outpatient treatment, drug testing, and my sobriety. I want a chance to show to this court I can be a responsible, clean, and sober out of jail. Thank you for your time.
This, I'm gonna be real. I've listened to this now 3-4 times. My position has not changed, and it is not going to change regarding this case. I did approve. The last one I approved was January 14th, her release to treatment.
Understood, Your Honor.
And that is what I had said I would do every time. I approved it. I don't know what has happened there. Somebody else can look at that. But I'm not changing my position, Ms. Law. You can keep saying the same thing over and over. I'm not going to do anything different.
I understand that, but what has held me back is with the treatment situation. Okay, I was put on a 90-day home arrest tether with Miss Washington's case. And me going to Oakdale, they set me back, they put me on a tether, and I couldn't leave. So my case with her is up, and I did my time in jail with her. It'd be Monday. So that's what set me back from treatment. And I have an eviction on my home that you did. I have to be out April 1st. So it's like I'm facing the eviction that I can't get
I've
my
heard all
possessions
of
out.
this, Ms. Law.
I
I
understand
know this. It's not like I'm operating in the dark. I have heard everything that you are telling me now 2, 3, 4 times.
I understand that, and I don't understand why I don't deserve a chance to do outpatient treatment and get my life back on track over one relapse. I mean,
Did you hear me?
Yes.
I approved outpatient treatment for you.
You didn't approve outpatient, you approved inpatient.
You want to see the form?
I signed it, January
Honor.
14th. I'm done. Bond
Thank you.
continued.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Goodbye.
I don't understand.
That was one case.
It's fine.
One case.
It's a great start, Your Honor.
No, and you were involved, Ken.
Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Avion Johnson.